Okay, hi, good evening. Am I audible? Okay. Hmm. Pardon? How are you? I'm fine. I'm good. Okay. Yeah, Azure ML Ops, machine learning ops, you mean? Okay. So my area is like DevOps, right? Azure has its own services on DevOps. So you can use their own DevOps services, but if like you have to actually estimate based upon the client requirement. So if you have the liberty of doing on your own, then you can go for Azure DevOps. But comparatively, when you say like DevOps, Azure DevOps has its own ecosystem. When there is any integration with third party or something like that, it may not be as powerful as other DevOps tools, like provided by AWS and so on. Like for example, like Travis. Travis is a CI/CD tool, right? So we already have a had a demo on Travis. What is Travis? What is Jenkins and so on, right? So Travis has tight integration with AWS. When compared to Azure DevOps, it is a little bit less coupled. But if you are completely into Microsoft technologies and Microsoft-based infra, everything is in Microsoft services only, then you can go for Azure DevOps. Um, mhm. Okay. Let me see, like in the by next session, or maybe we can. I'll find some input on them. Do you have like 1 week of time, or is it urgent that you need to come up with? Oh, this Tuesday. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So right now, I really, really focused on exact machine learning ops is not. I don't have exact input of what would be the tool. Like you can actually go with getting started thing in MLOps, right? So that would be the best thing I would suppose. Like in machine learning MLOps, when you open the website, you can see like try our. They will already give there should be getting started tabs for every service, right? So there you can just opt for it and go. If you have already some subscription with Azure, then you can. Otherwise, you have to apply some credit card and so on. uh, Azure doesn't maybe like first if you are the first user, then it may give you credits for 30 days for 30 days, but you have to enter your credit card information and so on. Then I think the basic thing to start up, they will give proper guidance, like what you can do, the basic fundamentals, what you can do. You can just um, follow the steps from the official Azure MLOps website, like how I think they will be having some workflows in MLOps. They will actually guide you with the basic deployment of the workflows. Yeah. Oh, okay. 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 So I think it's a 1 year course. I think so, right? It's about. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I think it is handled by IIT Roorkee faculty. I also had a discussion internally saying that maybe like I can uh, try to actually get expertise in MLOps and join that course. It's like as I try to learn, then says that is more specifically to they have made an agreement too with IIT Roorkee staff. So yeah, so maybe like after DevOps is basics for them, and after that they will continue with MLOps from the IIT faculty. Yeah, so for now, I think the good start would be like quickly from your side. You can just go to Azure MLOps service and getting started. Getting started should be good enough, I think. So to give you the basic POC of what can be done in MLOps, you can just, I think it will not take much time. Yeah, yep, yep. So, yep. So DevOps itself is DevOps course is itself has a lot of courses, and we have like if we discuss each and every course, that itself will take many months to be sure. Like here also DevOps we are covering most of the fundamentals and um, industrial standards. What are the main problems that we are facing in the industry? We are focusing on that basically, like not the theory part. Practically, when it comes to implementation, then it takes long time, long time to implement. Only because the 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 infrastructure of the code, DevOps related code is written by many people, and you are joining in between or something like that, and so that it will be really difficult to for you to understand unless you know the in and outs of it, right? So that's the main problem. So that's the main focus of CloudX Lab DevOps course, to actually where we never in whichever stage you are in, it will actually help you in jumping into understanding the 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 state of the software that you're working on, and pick up from that. So that's the basic idea. Right now, this course is basically focused on DevOps. I haven't actually really worked on MLOps side actually. So, yeah.